What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be violently coughing in random servers. I want to go into ghost code sometimes too. Anyways, let's go. E. Hang on, sorry, this is gonna take a while. No, I can make that lower. We're gonna be going into Sren. Well, no, we're not gonna go into Sren. Hi, Doug. Hi, Doug. Here, I'll take you to Forest with me. Guys, I just took my cough medicine. It hurts. I just took my medicine. I'm fine, I just took my medicine. It tastes disgusting.
No, damn, bro.
Wait, what?
Bro, you gotta go to the hospital.
Okay, I'll go to the hospital.
Ow! Boy.
Hey, MSJ.
Bro, this is freaking hard.
Alright.
I'll be right back.
My controller strapped is.
Hey, I can't do it.
I get the biggest reactions when I violently cough in a ghost code.
Hello.
Hello. I have to violently cough.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Cause that's a very funny
I have trained my throat to violently cough. My camera keeps snapping. I'm not trying to
I
snap.
can't do it.
Bro, I keep hitting my hand against my freaking door, bro.
My throat hurts after this sometimes. Why am I snapping? What is going on? Why do I keep snapping? Why does my camera keep snapping?
Can you not?
I don't have this snap button on. I have the spin button, but not the snap button.
Did you? I hit the sharp thing, and now
Let me show you something.
I'm not. Who hits it dies? I'm bleeding.
Now I'm going to
I'm
violently
bleeding,
cough in a ghost code. That's 117. This is Sren 11. This is Sren 177. 177. 67. Okay, I'm in the code.
Someone join.
Guys, I took my medicine. It's disgusting.
We're in caves.
We're in caves.
That's weird that a ghost code.
My camera keeps like 360 snapping at when I get close to stump. Hello.
Hello.
I can gritty across my room.
There's no way. I just missed that jump.
We're just ghost hunting.
Ow. I'm sliding across the ground.
You wanna help us ghost hunt?
I took my medicine and it tastes disgusting.
Then why are you playing gorilla tag?
I don't know.
Get off. Get off. Take a break. Who are you?
I just got on.
Flowers? Who's Flowers?
Oh, that's a Roblox Smith. Don't worry about it. I've also been on gtag for like not that long. I like just got on today, like recently,
Dad?
like very recently,
Okay, I'm gonna have some fun and go.
and I haven't played it in like a week. Who's making that sound? I can do that too.
Headaches, honest.
Ooh. Ooh.
Run?
Ooh. Here, the whistle cover the ears. Eee. I just gave myself a combustion, whatever that is. I make that sound too. Ooh.
No, no.
Ooga booga miso smooga. Ooh. La, 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 la.
You're slow. You're slow. I'm gonna do that.
I can do that too.
Okay, this is sort of more accurate run. This is sort of more accurate. He actually doesn't play any music. Run does not play any music. This is so accurate. I do not. Anyways, I'm out. Run, come with me. Run, come with me. Come with me, run. Come. Run, come with me.
Ooga booga miso
Come with me.
smooga. Ooga booga.
Run, you gotta.
Ooga booga miso smooga. What?
What the hell?
Is this a public lobby? Okay, now I'm actually worried because I think he teleported me to this lobby because he left and then I got teleported here. I was in Sprint 17. Okay. I just got kicked and sent to a public lobby with that weird Death Angel guy in
I'm
it.
gonna report you. You're modding. Can't report someone that's in a modded lobby in a private server.
Guys, Death Angel can kick you to their server and it's so annoying.
You can't do that.
It wasn't scary.
He's in a modded server and have mods. Can't do that. You guys wanna all go ghost hunting?
We're going ghost hunting.
Okay. Stop modding.
I'm the first it. I know what to say for this. Ooga booga miso smooga. Ooga booga.
Let's go. Guys, come into treehouse. Everybody come into treehouse.
Okay.
Everybody go into treehouse. I'm waiting for all of them.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. The fan isn't even working. I have to get
Everybody get in treehouse.
I have to get my eggs to cool myself off.
Get in here. Get in the treehouse.
Reclaim treehouse. No ghosts are allowed in here.
Yo.
What if I said I am a ghost? Would you allow me?
Don't spin around. You're gonna get more sick.
I'm just kidding.
Dude, are you okay?
This ain't a ghost. Reclaim treehouse.
Are you
Guys,
Everyone's allowed except
what's
for
up?
ghosts.
Dill pickle.
Yo, hello?
Hello, we're in
I
treehouse.
want we're gonna summon Banshee. We're gonna summon Banshee.
I've seen Banshee before in a private code with one of my
Gonna come
friends.
in?
What?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you something.
Yeah.
Y'all can do.
Guys, we're gonna summon Banshee. Okay? Everybody in treehouse. Everybody has to come in treehouse. We're gonna summon Banshee.
Listen. Before y'all do anything,
Everybody hold hands. Everybody hold hands.
Shut the hell up.
Everybody
Hold on.
Come here.
Hold on.
Hold hands.
No, it's a bad idea. Do not do that.
Yo, boy.
Listen.
We're summoning Banshee. We're summoning Banshee. Everybody hold hands.
If
Everybody hold
Banshee
hands.
makes a loud annoying sound, I'll just use my cough to cover it up and make it funny.
Listen to me, bro. Y'all aren't listening, bro. He can kill you. Yo, shit, I'm gonna break your shit. It's not a
Everybody hold hands.
Booga, booga, booga.
Ooga booga!
Spin, spin. Everybody spin.
Ooga booga! Ooga booga! Ooga booga! Ooga booga! Ooga booga! Ooga booga! Miso smuga! Ooga booga! Miso smuga! Ooh!
Everybody stop. Everybody stop.
Ooga booga!
Ghost can't comment. Wait, y'all don't know anything. We do this wrong.
I'm just doing what people tell me to do. Anyways, I have to go take my medicine now.
Wait, guys, we did this wrong. Actually, this needed to be in the middle.
We're not cooked. We just sat in a circle and spun. Why is my camera snapping whenever I try to wall jump? I don't like that.
Not real.
VHL bot is online.
Listen, y'all started the screen.
There's a bot that's VHL bot.
Oh, we actually summoned him. Don't worry, I'll violently cough so that wheel will go away.
Oh my god.
I violently coughed so that way it would go away. If violently coughing doesn't make it go away, I will say my magic words. Ooga booga, miso smuga. Where is he? Where is he? Oh my gosh, it's day. It's day. What? That's so cool. Guys, come on, let's go focus. It is day. It's never happened before. Let's go. Is it like this in Metro as well?
Yo, bro.
Aw, it's still night in Metro. That doesn't make any sense at all. Guys, wait. I had to go check out Metro to see if it was like that.
Go to basement. Everybody go to basement. Everybody go to basement.
Why?
Come to basement.
Y'all think I'm fucking trolled, bro.
I didn't even participate. I was just violently coughing in Metro.
Yeah, you did it, Purple. You saved us. You did it.
Yay!
Everybody come to basement.
I violently coughed so hard that he disappeared. And now I'm gonna do it again.
Everybody go to basement.
Guys, I saved you.
Guys, go to basement. Everybody go to
Wow, there's even fans down here. Is it that hot? Isn't there AC down here?
Guys.
No, he was talking at it. Guys, you gotta hide, guys. Guys, you gotta hide.
Don't worry, I'll scare him away with my violent coughs. I'll just scare him away with my violent coughs. It's not a big deal. I can just do this.
Yo! Come to basement! Everybody get to basement! Everybody get to basement! Get to basement! I'm in the maze!
Oh, the
I'm
maze.
in the maze!
My camera keeps
I'm in the maze!
360 snapping. I hope I don't run into the maze. Oh, he's right where? Don't worry, I'm coming. I can save the day. I can just violently cough to send him away. I am a wizard today. Why does my camera keep snapping? I'm not doing it.
I just tricked all y'all guys!
What do you mean?
Guys,
I didn't be trolled. I violently coughed.
First go to mountains!
See?
Go to mountains!
Why are we going to mountains? Why are we going to mountains? Why is my camera 360 snapping every second? Why is my camera 360 snapping every second?
I'll go to secret tunnel. I'll go to secret tunnel. I'll go to secret tunnel.
Oh, that's cool. It's night. in
Everybody go to
mountains.
secret tunnel. What the hell? Heck, Yo, it's not working anymore. It's just a one time. The other way's easier.
How long have I violently coughed?
Secret podcast.